Watch AI create a hotel booking performance dashboard from scratch. This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We'll start by importing our hotel booking data. Simply click Import Data, select your file, and we're ready. Now click Create Dashboard and watch the magic happen. Bricks AI is analyzing our hotel data, identifying key metrics like booking sources, revenue trends, and guest demographics. It's intelligently selecting the best chart types for each data pattern. The AI creates special request frequency charts, booking status breakdowns, and monthly revenue trends. It's building room type analysis, identifying top guest countries, and payment method distributions. Plus, it's generating summary tables for booking status and high-value reservations. Our hotel booking performance dashboard is complete with 6 dynamic charts and 2 data tables, all automatically configured for maximum insight. Now, we can customize the theme to match our brand. Watch how easily we can switch between different visual styles. Let's enter presentation mode to showcase our dashboard. This full-screen view is perfect for client meetings or executive presentations. The clean interface removes all editing controls, focusing attention on your data insights. Navigation remains intuitive with smooth transitions between widgets. This professional display transforms your dashboard into a powerful storytelling tool for any business audience. Back to edit mode. Every chart remains fully interactive with hover details, filtering capabilities, and drill-down options for deeper analysis. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.